benvenuto alla Concorso di eleganza Villa d'Este, which is Italian for welcome to wet cars in the rain. But this place is amazing. There's something for everyone. There are old cars, there are really old cars, there are new cars, and then there are concept cars which don't even exist yet. This is Italy, so of course everything is beautiful. The food is amazing, the buildings are amazing, the people are beautiful, and the weather, can't have it all.
Herzlich willkommen, Jason.
Danke. Was soll es dann erwarten?
Also wir sind froh, dass wir wieder ein komplettes Programm bieten können. Ich würde mal sagen, größer denn jemals zuvor. Wir fangen an mit der Preload-Tour. Wir haben unsere Teilnehmer mit ihren Autos nach Monza auf die Rennstrecke geführt, was wunderschön war. Dann danach erstmal die Ankunft. Wir sehen gerade hier die ganzen Autos, wie sie ankommen.
We're here at technical inspection.
Yeah.
What are you looking for?
We want to be sure the paper we've got match with the car we have. As soon as it's okay, we have a green line for the car.
Okay, so you don't make sure that it has a muffler.
No. We will inspect this car in a few minutes, so...
Make me an inspector and I'll get in.
Yeah, no problem.
Please take your umbrella, don't forget it. BMW will be unveiling a visionary concept car that was never seen before.
You didn't think a little bit of rain was going to stop the show, did you? Welcome back to Villa d'Este for the 2023 Concorso di Eleganza.
So we're here in the rain with the happiest man in all of Villa d'Este. This is Alois Ruf. And you have a car that's not a 911, it's 10 less, right?
Well, it is the car that was named the Project 901. In 1964, it became the 911.
And you've owned this car since 1968.
Yes.
That's amazing.
I was only 18 years old.
And it survived.
The winner of this year's Concorso, the Ferrari 250 GT California Spider. Let's give it a round of applause, please.
Like almost anybody who comes here for the first time, you're just kind of blown away. I mean, the setting of Villa d'Este is incredible. You know, we're surrounded by, all these beautiful people. We all eat too much for several days, and that's why you come to Italy.
And that's why you go home and go on a diet.
Yes.
One of the greatest things about Villa d'Este is on the first day there's a very small, intimate event. But on the second day of the show, the public can come and enjoy the cars, including this ATS that was brought by Donald Osborne.
This is one of the really special things about the Villa d'Este Concorso. The second day for the public, where people can come with their family and their kids and enjoy all the great cars that were seen yesterday at Villa d'Este. And a very small number of cars, but that covers an amazing range. Spectacular.
The only thing missing is an E30. Stop, come on. The Concorso Eleganza Villa d'Este is brought to you by BMW Group Classic, which is just a reminder that anywhere in the world there's a classic BMW, there's this guy.
What are you doing here, Straighten? I'm on vacation. Vacationing in Italy, and then I got invited by BMW Group Classic to come and check out this beautiful event.
To fix the cars?
There's nothing broken here, and I looked really hard.
The problem with a Concours, everything's perfect.
It is?
The winner is the best of show car number 32, Duesenberg SJ Speedster Gurney Nothing 1935, presented by William Lyon from the United States.